Hey guys, wanna remove suggested files on your Google Drive just using your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial, and now let's begin. First off, open Google Drive on your device. It could be an app version, or you can just open on the website, but anyways, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna use the app version. So now, when entered, make sure you're logged in into the correct Google account, and when you made sure, just pretty much open the Home tab and you will be automatically taken to the suggestions. So now find the file that doesn't fit the suggestions and just click on the three dots right next to it. Now this will bring up this pop-up menu. Just swipe up for a better view, and now here at the bottom click on the not a helpful suggestion option. Now, unfortunately, you cannot bulk delete all of these suggestions, but that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.